you know, I think we are live.
Ooh.
Recording.
Right.
Okay, today we are out in deep water. Is that how you say it?
Yes, yes.
And today it's Sub's choice, and I have my favorite subscriber here, and his name is Sune.
Yeah, exactly.
He's over there. What did you bring?
I bring a bottle, non-alcoholic.
This
Free
one?
bottle. Yeah, from Gnista.
From Gnista. It's a bit blurry. Then we have to shoot this. But we should not only shoot it, we should do something else.
Yes.
Stop motion.
Yes, stop motion.
And you have done a bit before, yes?
Kinda.
And I
Roughly.
have done also very poor quality ones.
No, they are good. They are good.
So maybe we should explain for people who don't know what stop motion is.
Yeah.
It's I guess it's a series of photos. But I mean, what's the difference between a time lapse and a stop motion? Is stop motion more that you are moving the stuff? You make like an animation, or?
Yeah, precisely. You're moving the objects and taking a photo, and then you move the objects again and take a photo.
So you take a lot of images,
Exactly.
and then you make like a video.
Yeah. Of all the images.
Yes. But it will be only a few seconds, I guess.
Yeah.
So we have tried a bit today to figure out how to do this. We started at 10.
Yeah.
Now it's 6:30.
Oh my gosh.
So it's like bit lunch, but 8 hours we have tried out this. 8 freaking hours. Because it's quite complicated, I would say. And we still don't know the result. Maybe I will show it in the beginning or maybe at the end of this, I don't know. But you are a photographer.
Yeah.
You shoot fantastic photos.
Thank you.
Like, there it is.
Ooh.
So go and check soon out, because it's fantastic. So, how should we start? Maybe we should explain a bit what we did here.
Yeah.
It will be... We did a bit complicated for ourselves, because we wanted to make like a beautiful still photo. I mean, a regular lit still product shot. So we wanted to lit this nicely, so we can go through. I think we only have actually 2 flashes. And
That's
one extra bonus with
with the
light painting we will also do, show you later. I think we should start with the background. I always start with the background.
Yeah, that's nice.
But not today, I think. We can, because this one affects a lot the background.
Yeah.
So then we can just add this, the other one.
Touch.
So let's put on the main light, 5D Mark IV. Yes, shoot and tethered into capture 1. And yes, that's it, I think. And the first light that we have here on the side, you will see it. It's over here, yes. And this light will hit this bottle. So we can take the first shot, I guess. Okay, so this is the first frame with one light. You see on the background, there is some light, and that light is this. Because this is the only light we have in the whole shot. And this will go a bit to the center of the background. That's why it's like a big vignette. But it also hits the bottle and it creates nice... We managed to get the almost perfect, you know, this one. The highlight, the rim light from the side there. And we also actually get a very nice highlight rim orange on the other side. But everything is created with this light. So this is a strip box, and we're lighting through this diffusion material, and that will go onto the bottle and on the lamp and everything. And it creates a highlight on the side, rim light on the side, and we put up a black flag here so the strip box will not hit the background. But the second light, it's up there. This is the light. and it's with a snoot, and it shoots through this crazy thing, and it creates like a pattern on the background. We wanted something to happen on the background.
Yeah.
So it's beautiful now, but we wanted to add a bit more. So let's turn that on. Hey. And then we take a shot and see what it does. See, that's fun. This is a bit beautiful, isn't it?
I like it.
It's like, and it's very simple. Small light source hitting the background, and then you put like a gobo, they're called, in front of the light.
Yeah.
Creates nice pattern on the background.
Yeah.
We could end here. I mean, this is a nice shot, but I forgot
The gold.
the gold.
The gold reflector.
You see the bottle right now. It's very dark, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why we have this one. Classical, old school way to lit up spirits. You just place a golden card behind the bottle, and we will pick up this light, hit on this. So we just place it behind, and then we get a nice gradient of light, because the strip box hitting it, and you can even see it. It's a bit too long here, but doesn't matter. Okay, people. Okay, now we put up this. So we are blocking the video light, the LEDs, because we get a highlight on the lamp's arm. So now we took a shot, you look at the screen, it's gone. Now we're fine. Now we can go. Let's put on the flashes again. Shoot. And then we're back, and everyone's happy. And now we will start stop motion.
Yeah.
The plan is, I guess, what is the plan? Yes, what will you do? You will do it, yes?
I will do it.
You will be responsible when you screwed up. We'll take away this.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe she'll spin all the way out of the frame and then back.
And then stop.
To the middle.
Yes. And what will happen then?
And then the light, the lamp of the light will be on.
And your arm will...
Yeah. Yeah, right.
And you will turn on the lamp, and then we put in this card, and it will be the whiskey.
Shiny.
I almost said it's not whiskey. And then it will lit up when he turns on the lamp.
Yeah.
And we pretend that creates a spark. I mean, lighting up. And also, then we need to take a LED flashlight. This one.
Super strong.
And this, we will lit up the label.
Yeah.
Of the product, but not this big. We will try to make a smaller, use black wrap and then shine through. And I think we use like, maybe we can go like 1.5 second shutter speed.
Yeah.
We shut everything down, and then we will retouch that in Photoshop.
Yeah.
One other thing we noticed, his soonest putting on his jacket, and it's black, because he had this bright and it reflected a lot from his shirt. Men då börjar vi. Ta en sån.
I will read the story inside my head. You could be my body.
Yeah.
Okay, people, now we're back. We're back.
Woo.
So we took like a couple of hundred photos, I guess. You saw it we did some time-lapsing on this. Speeded up video.
Jesus.
You did a very good job.
Thank you, thank you.
Let's
Bring the gold.
bring the gold in.
Where's the gold?
Where's the gold? It's here.
There it is.
The golden plate. So now we're taking the shot when you turn the lamp on.
Yeah.
This is the shot we're doing now for the stop motion. Arms comes in, turn the lamp on, and this is the shot. This is the shot we are doing now. And so we need to turn on the
Modeling light.
so we can see how to create a nice photo. Let's take a test shot. Beautiful. And I don't care about the thing that's sticking out here. The batteries are dying in the camera because we recorded for 600 million hours for this. So I would just take that away in Photoshop.
Now we need the light painting, yeah? Oh, you have a hole there.
Is there a hole?
Already. Yeah. Maybe
Will you? So what we will do?
Kill the lights.
Exactly. We need to be in total darkness.
Yes.
Modeling lights off, because now when we're doing the light painting, we will shoot through a small hole in this black wrap. We'll do something like this. Yes, now you can see from... It's a big hole actually.
Yeah, that's a big hole.
You always need a smaller hole than you think. But to catch this LED flashlight, it's very weak power, of course. You cannot compare with the flashes. Then we need to change the shutter speed to like 1.5 seconds, shut everything down in the room, and then we do it. And then we comp it in Photoshop later, just this label, yes?
Yep.
So everything, now we go dark. Oh.
Ooh.
And we need to change the shutter speed. I would change it to, I think, 1.6 seconds. Let's try that one. Come on, you can do it.
Go.
See if it's too bright, if it's...
Ooh.
Is it nice?
That was nice.
Yes, let's go for that one. Woo! That's bright. So, do we have all the parts? Okay. I think this is... we made it, yes? I mean, and we should really be... It's such a chaos.
Such a mess.
Such a mess here today.
Long day, but it was fun. Super fun.
You think we will get a nice stop motion?
I think so. I hope so. It's all on you now.
Me?
I did my part, now it's your turn.
You know, we'll see. Even if it's not 100%, this is the first time we are doing like trying to do a nice, real stop motion.
Yeah.
And we'll see. You will see it in a few seconds. But thank you so much for coming.
It's my pleasure.
It was very nice. We had a real great day. Very long, tough, but you know, that's how it is to... If you want to make nice photos, you have to walk the extra mile. And how should we end this?
They should comment what Martin should shoot next. What kind of product?
Yes, you can do that if you
Leave
like.
a comment below. Also like and click on the subscribe button.
Yes, do that. Comment below what you think we should shoot in the upcoming tutorials with me or with Sooner Again or with anyone. And if you'd like to come here to Sub's Choice, just write to, I don't remember the email, I think it's below.
Yeah, it's below.
Yes, subscribe.
Do it.
I know you, it's like 60% are not subscribers. Why not
Shame.
subscribers? Shame on you! So please subscribe. Create a Google account or whatever. That will be appreciated. Så, and as always, det känns inget dugg forcerat. And as always guys, see you next time.